further problems on powers and roots. Find the smallest numbers by which these must be multiplied so that their product are perfect squares. Now, we have here 2 times 2 times 2. How many 2's are we having here? 1, 2, 3. This is odd. And for perfect squares, you must have the constituent number, the number involved must be even. That is, looking at the constant numbers now, the numbers of the constant numbers must be even. What do I mean? For example here, 1, 2, 3. This is 3. I suppose I'm expected to have 4. Or I should have like 2. Like 2, since the numbers involved here, I'm having 2. The numbers of 2 I should be having here, I should be having like 2 of 2, 2 of 4, 2 of 6, 2 of 8, 2 of 10. Now here now, I'm having how many? 1, 2, 3. This is odd. So for me to make the numbers of these two to be even, it means I need 1, 2. Because I will now have, if I add to these two now, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That will make it 4. So it means I need 1, 2 times. Now, looking at the 3, 1, 2. This is even. This one is okay. This is okay. This one now, we have worked on this. We need 1, 2 to make it even. Now, this one, 1, this is what? This one is odd. Because for odd numbers, we have 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is odd. So we need 1, 5 to make this one to be even. Because if I add 1, 5 to this, I will have how many 5? 2. And that is even. So in that case, I need 1 more 2. That will be times 5. And 2 times 5 will give us what? 10. So the answer is 10. Now for this, look at. These are expressed in index form. That is the second question. 2 raised to the power of 4. This one raised to the power of 4. 4 is what? Is an even number. This is good. We are good to go with this one. 3 raised to the power 5. Now looking at what we have here. 5 is what? The power is odd. So for us to make it even, what do? We need to add 1. When you add 1 to these numbers of 3, you will have 6. So that will make it even. So we need 1, 5. 1, 3 rather, to make it 3 raised to the power 6, which will make it to be even. We need 1, 3. Here also, 5 raised to the power 3. 3 is odd. So we need 1 of these 5 to make it 5 raised to the power of 4. That will now be even. So we need 1, 5 also. 7 raised to the power 4. This one, the power here, which is 4, is even. We are good to go with this one. It's even. But here, this is 11. How many 11 are we having here? Just 1. And this is odd. This is odd. So for us to make it even, we need 1 more 11. That will be times 11. So in that case, we now have 3 times 5, which is 15. Then we now need to multiply 15 by 11. That will give us what? 1 times 5, we have 5. 1 times 1, we have 1. So we have 1, 5 also. That is 1 times 5, we have 5. 1 times 1, we have 1. So this will give us 165. So it means that the smallest number is going to be what? 165. That is the answer to the problem. Thank you.